Hey guys, today I will show you the bar chart with the export data feature. Let's add the chart to the workspace and make it a little larger. Now add the data to make it visible. For this, drag and drop the data to the field, or just make the checkbox true by clicking on it. The vertical axis will have country, and the horizontal axis will contain profit and units sold. As you can see, the chart is without legend. Now let's add a legend by selecting month name as the legend data field. To remove the logo and view the features available in this chart, make sure you have valid license key. I have one that I will use to view this chart's features. Here we can see the chart with its features. Features include a flip axis chart type, which can be bar chart or dot chart, y-axis data selector, x-axis data selector, legend data selector, download type, which will be either CSV or Excel, and the main download, that is export this data in the corresponding download export type. And here it is, our exported data from the bar chart. Hope this may help you to get the data which is available in the chart only. Thanks.